Hey guys, it's Mindless Gamer, and in this video we're going to be creating blocks. In the last episode we created items, we created a topaz, so in this episode we're going to be creating topaz ore, which is going to drop topaz. So first thing you want to do is in your main package create a new package called blocks, and then in your initialization package you want to create a new class called mod blocks. Now, you can copy and paste everything from the mod items, except for this top one. And I'm just going to get rid of these imports, because there will be some unused imports. And we're going to delete everything that's inside these. And also change these to block, 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 block. And change the register item to register block. And now in this block we're going to import it from net.minecraft.block. And now I'm going to import everything here, and you're going to have some errors in your model loader. So the first error is here, this item, and then the metadata, and then the model resource location. You want to change item to item with the uppercase I to item dot get item from block, and I'm just going to change that to block, which is going to be block. And then the last one, or the second one, is here. You want to just change that to block. Now we have no errors. Now in the register block we want to add a game registry dot register block, and also we want to add a game registry dot register new item block, and that's going to be block dot set registry name. Oh wait, that won't come up because we have not imported block yet. So just going to import item block dot set registry name, and it's going to be block dot get registry name. Add a semicolon to the end, and that is our register block finished. Now in our blocks package we're going to create a new class, and this is going to be block, and then whatever the name of your block is going to be. Ours is Topaz ore, so we're going to write Topaz ore. And the superclass is going to be net.minecraft.block.block with an uppercase B, and then it's going to ask us to add a constructor, add the first constructor material, and you can delete these parentheses, well, everything that's in these parentheses. Get rid of this, and in the material, super material, we're going to do material.rock, because our material is going to be rock. And then in the parentheses, as usual, we're going to type string unlocalized name and string registry name. And this dot set unlocalized name is going to be unlocalized name, and this dot set registry name is going to be new resource location. Choose the one that takes in the domain. The domain is going to be reference.modid. The resource path is going to be registry name. Now we're done with this class, so we can close it. And now above these methods we're going to add a public static block, and then whatever the name of your block is, so topaz ore. And then we're going to do topaz underscore ore equals new block topaz ore, and then the unlocalized name is going to be topaz underscore ore. The registry name is going to be topaz underscore ore as well. The register, we're going to do register block topaz underscore ore. Register render is going to be register render topaz ore. Now to initialize it, we need to go to our proxy, client proxy, and then we're just going to add modblocks.register renders, and then in our main mod class, we're gonna, after mod items init, we're gonna do modblocks.init, and after mod items.register, we're gonna do modblocks.register. Now we're finished with this. Now we need to create a block state model, a block model, and also an item model. I don't know why we need to create an item model, but we do, and we also need to create a texture. So we're actually going to create a new package in the textures, and it's going to be blocks. And in the models, we're going to create a new package, and it's going to be block. And then also after your mod ID, assets.modid, we're going to type in block states. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is the model for the block. So you want to create a new untitled text file, and this is going to be curly brackets, and then it's going to be parent :block/cube _all, and then the textures is going to be all : and then blocks slash, well actually your mod ID blocks slash, and then whatever the name of your block is going to be, and then we can save this in our block models block, and it's going to be Topaz_or.json. Now we are finished with this, and now we're going to create our item model. Again, I don't know why Mojang decided to do this, but they did. But it is very simple. So squiggly bracket, and then all it is this parent : and then your mod ID tutorial : block slash Topaz_or, and that is it. And then we can save this in models item and call it Topaz_or.json. And the last model we need to create is a block state model. New untitled text file, and this one is a bit longer, but it's going to be variants : open up squiggly brackets normal : open up squiggly brackets, and this is going to be model : and then your mod ID : and then the name of your block. Now we are done with this, so we can save it in the block state as Topaz_or.json. And now you need to create a texture. I've already got a, where is it? I've already got a texture for it. Where is it? Here. But here it is, Topaz_or.png. We're just going to drag this into the blocks and then copy it. And now we've got it in here. So when we load up our game, we should have a block in our game. So I'll just load it up now. Oh, by the way, if you want the console up here, not down there, you just need to, let me try to get it, yep. So when it's down here, you just need to press the minus button and then click on the console button up here, and then it will load up. Game is just loading up. Almost done. Hopefully this worked first try. If it didn't, then it's probably my JSON files. Okay, so we can go into our world. And I had to record this because it crashed my OBS. Do not know why, but it did. Hopefully it doesn't crash this time. But if I get rid of it, do /give your name and then, oh god, now it's raining. Tutorial Topaz, and we've got it. Now we haven't got the name yet, but as you can see, we got the block state model all done. You can place it in everything. But if we actually go to game mode 0, if I place this down, look how quick it breaks. It has 0 hardness or resistance. So we'll fix that now, and we'll also fix the name. So we're just gonna go to our block Topaz or class, and below all of this, we're just gonna do this dot set hardness, and then we're gonna just set it to 5, and then this dot set resistance. We're just gonna set the resistance to 5. Resistance is like blast resistant and stuff. So once you've done that, we're gonna go into our language file, and the name is not item, or so it's not block.topaz_or.name. It's actually tile.topaz_or.name equals topaz underscore, no, not underscore, it's topaz or. Now we can save that, and now let's run our Minecraft one more time, and it should be loaded up. You'll see we've got some errors here, but they are just FML errors, Forge mod loader errors, so we don't have a proper profile, so you always get these errors. Or maybe you won't, but you will probably most likely get these errors. And as you can see, we get no errors, which is good. There is one thing that I actually want to do after we've done this, which is a GetItemDrop. So you can get the Topaz ore instead of, the Topaz instead of the Topaz ore. So if we go back in, we'll see that we actually have a hardness and a resistance, which I won't show because it will work. You can test it out for yourself, and it will have a name. Come on, Minecraft, why are you taking so long? Goodness me. Okay, come on, Minecraft. Okay, so we are in the game, and let's see, Topaz ore got the name. If we place it, it will actually take a while for it to break, which is great. So now we're just gonna do the GetItemDrop method. So back in our block Topaz ore, underneath all of these, we're gonna do Control space, and we're gonna type in GetItemDrop, and then we're just gonna get rid of this, and then after the return, we're just gonna type in mod items dot topaz, and then colon on the end, semicolon. Jesus, it's windy outside. And if you want it to drop a different block, you can do, oh my, why is it so windy? You can do item dot get item from block, and then the block is just gonna be mod blocks dot topaz ore. Or if you just wanted to return this, which it will anyway, it's just gonna be this. but we want it to do Topaz. So we're going to do mod items.topaz. Okay, now that we have done that, we are going to run the game one more time. And also, ask me in the comments below what the next video should be on. Like, I think, actually, yeah, I'll do it on tools, and then after that, you can choose between, like, creative tab or recipes. Yeah, creative tabs or crafting recipes and smelting recipes. So comment down below what you think should happen in the next video. If I don't really get many comments, which I don't think I will, maybe I will, maybe not, well then I'll probably do creative tab. Yeah, creative tab. Come on, Minecraft. Why you take so long? Okay. Hopefully the world doesn't take too long to load up. Come on, Minecraft. Probably because I'm recording, it's taking ages. Come on. Why are you taking so long, Minecraft? Why are your days so long? Okay. Should come up. Okay. And what is this? And as you can see, we have an error, but that is not. As you can see, it's got to do with profiles, if you saw. But if we actually break this block, we get Topaz! Yay! 2 Topaz. So, just comment down below what you think should happen in the next video. Crafting recipes or creative tab. So, yeah, if you like this video, then like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think. So, see ya. Bye.